Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, the topic of my lecture is common noun and proper noun. So first of all, I will tell you what is a noun. A noun is a word that means a person, place, or thing. So there are many types of noun, but today we will discuss only common noun and proper noun. Well, what is common noun? Common noun is a noun that names general items, people, places, or things. And proper noun. Proper noun is a name of particular or special person, place, or thing. So examples of common nouns are like garden, people, girl, city, country, river, etc. And examples of proper nouns are Qaid-e-Azam, America, Ali, Jinnah Park, etc. So now we will do an exercise. As you can see, this is exercise, and in this one what we will do, circle the common noun and underline the proper noun in the following sentences. So sentences are in front of you, and you know that in proper nouns we will use capital letter, or proper nouns begin with a capital letter, and but common nouns begin with a small letter. Okay, so we will circle the common noun, okay, and underline the proper noun. All right, let's read it. Number 1, Ali is a hard-working boy. As I told you, the common noun is the name of common people, common things, or general things, okay, things, people, places, etc. And proper noun is a names of particular or special things, people, places, etc. Okay, so in this sentence, Ali is a hard-working boy. So Ali is proper noun, okay, it's a special name, so we will underline this, and boy is a common, so circle the boy. Okay, number 2, Model Town Park is the best park in Lahore. So we will underline Model Town Park. We will underline this because it's a proper noun. And park is again, it's a common noun because there are so many parks. It's a common. And Lahore is a name of city. So we will underline this, and this is a proper noun. Okay, number 3, Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. So underline Islamabad because it's a proper noun. Pakistan is again a proper noun, or okay, and proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Okay, so you can see Pakistan, P is capital here. Okay, so this is proper noun. A city is common noun. We will circle this. Number 4, Anaya. Anaya is a name of girl. Okay, any name like name of girl, boy, any name, it will start with a capital letter because names are proper nouns. Okay, Anaya, we will underline this, it's a proper noun. Girl is common, we will circle, and class is again common, we will circle that. Okay, number 5, football is the most popular sport in Europe. Okay, Europe and football, these are special, so we will underline this, it's a proper noun, and sport is common, we will circle this. Number 6, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. So the Pacific, you can see, as you can see, these are written with the capital letters, so this indicates that it's a proper noun, and these are the special ones. Okay, so we will underline this. Ocean, again, it's a common noun, so we will circle, and world is also common, and we will circle that. Okay, number 7, Sikandar Mirza was the first president of Pakistan. Sikandar Mirza is a name, so we will underline, it's a proper noun. President is a common noun, and Pakistan again is a proper noun. Okay, president is common, so we will circle this. Number 8. There are 20 girls and 40 boys in class 7. So class 7 is special. So we will underline this. It's a proper noun. Boys and girls are common. So we will circle. Number 9. Markhor is the national animal of Pakistan. So markhor is the, as I told you, the name of birds, the name of mountains, birds and animals, people. So these are the proper noun. So we will underline this, and it's written with the capital letter. So animals is again common. So we will circle in Pakistan. It's a proper. So I have underlined this. Number last but not the least. Earth is the only planet that has life. Okay, so Earth is proper noun. I have underlined it for you. Planet is common. If the name of planet is mentioned, so that will be then proper. Okay, only there are so many planets, so no need to underline this because it's a common. Okay, if name of that thing or animal or that place is written that, then it will be proper. Okay, so it's a common and life is again common. We will circle this. Okay ji, I hope you will like this video about, it's a very simple video about common and proper nouns. So I told you the definition and how to use it, and okay, thank you so much. And in my next videos I will explain the rest of the types of the nouns. Okay, bye bye.